Good evening, everyone. So let's talk about this would be the eighth, right? The eighth solution to flood problems in Australia. That would be, I might be exaggerating it. It could be done on a smaller scale as well, but let's just call it 2 trillion tree planting project. 2 trillion is a bit too much. But how did I get to that number? Well, I believe humanity has been responsible for deforestation of around 2 trillion trees. There were around 4 trillion at the start, but after humanity came in and all of that, they are down to 2 trillion. Aside from fixing the carbon related issues and stuff like that, although it would be very interesting to see how we can pull off planting 2 trillion trees, lots of volunteer work, mini nurseries, things like that. But let's say you don't get to 2 trillion, you get to a billion trees, whatever the case is. Actually, let's just forget even that. The main concept regarding floods, trees act as buffers, so they would slow down the flow of water and sort of prevent flash floods from happening. Trees also would make the soil more porous and more absorbent so that the roots, when they go into the soil's ability to carry water increases. All right, and the soil can hold more water because of that, so the land can absorb a lot more water than it would normally would, because it has lost its rigidity due to the formation of roots in the soil. Anyhow, because of that, you should ideally plant lots of trees in flood prone areas, lots and lots of trees. Not only would they act as buffers, uh, flash flood prone areas as well, areas where the water level is low, so you would actually help them out with uh, the soil can absorb more water, as well as the flash flood speed would be reduced, and hopefully it can lead to less loss of life and more prevention of flood. And more than that, planting trees has lots of climate based benefits as well. It has millions of benefits, so yeah, something to keep in mind.